Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project AutoSphere Sales Portal. And I have developed this project in Node.js, Angular, and MySQL. Node version we are using Node version 14, MySQL version is 5.6, Angular version is 8. And for ID we are using Visual Studio Code for both Node.js and the Angular. For port we are using port 4200 for the Angular application, port 5000 for the Node applications. For Angular UI design, we have used HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap themes. This is a partial responsive Bootstrap theme which you can check or you can open it on mobile or tab or different screen size because this is a responsive theme. So these all technology stacks we have used for developing this project or to Sphere Sales Portal. So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented, what are the functionalities available inside this project. So the project title is AutoSphere Sales Portal, and this is a mini project developed in Node.js, MySQL, and Angular. Mini project because it has only and only customer operation. There is no admin inside this project. But if you need, we will develop it. So once you run this project, you will get this home page. You can see this is a home page, and there are some categories that are coming on the home page, and these all categories are coming from the database. This is about page, and this is a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is a category page, and you can see all of the categories which are available inside the database will be displayed here. This is a login. From here, customer can log in and customer can place the order. This is a registration page. If you don't have user ID and password, then you can create your user ID and password from here. This is a contact page, and this is a static contact as page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is a feedback page. This is a static feedback page. There is nothing dynamic on it. Right now, I am going to log in as a customer. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. If you don't have user ID and password, then you can create using the registration link. So once you log inside the system, you will get the dashboard and you can see home, about, order now, and my orders. So on the my orders page you will be able to see all of the orders, right? You can see all of the orders are available here, and once you click on this arrow icon you will be able to see all of the orders, items, and order item details which you have placed in your previous order history, right? Now I am going to buy some of the products. So I click on the product, then details, add to cart, right? So now continue adding. So lights, and then details, add into the cart. So again continue adding. So mats, so details, add into the cart. Right. So I have added three items into the cart, and total amount I need to pay is 30,000 rupees. Suppose if I want to delete any item, just click on delete icon, and that item will be removed from the cart. Once you click on the checkout, then you will be redirected to the payment page. This is a dummy credit card page. Here, no need of entering any type of credit card details. Just put any of the dummy details. We are not making any type of real transactions, right? We have not integrated any type of real payment gateway. So, enter credit card, card name, a type, anything you can select. We are not checking it. Once you click on the make payment, your order will be placed. You can see the order ID is 11, right? You can see your orders in the my order history. So you can see this is order number 11. And once click on that arrow icon, you can see the order details here, right? The last option is log out. So once you log out, then above administration menu will not be displayed because this is a session driven menu. You can see the My Orders and dashboard. These will be appeared only and only after the login. Once you log out, then you will not be able to see the customer administration options, right? But if you log in, you will be able to see that because the menus are deciding on the runtime according to the user session, right? So these all functionalities we have developed inside this project or to Sphere Sales Portal. And as I told you earlier, this is a mini project which has only and only customer functionalities, and we have developed this project in Node.js, Angular, and MySQL. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos of the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.